Hi my loves, it's Sam. I'm so excited because I have my summer DECOCRATED box and I cannot wait because I loved my last box. I will leave the link in the description box to my last video before so you guys can go and watch that and get all of the details of like exactly, because that was my first unboxing, it gives you all the details of everything you need to know. But if you want to recap real quick, it's $79.99 for a season. So they have a summer, fall, winter, and spring box. So the last box I got was the spring box. Now we're into the summer box, and they have the most fabulous pieces that I have absolutely been loving, that I have used in my home since the last box, and it's all home decor stuff. So if you are a home decor person, you're gonna love this box. What I love is that they feature actual artists, so the pieces are completely unique to DECOCRATED. You're not gonna find them anywhere else. The summer box artist is, let's see what her name is, Jazzy Doodles. I do have a coupon code. It is SamandFam10. That's going to save you $10 off your box. So it'll bring it down to $69.99. Again, that's for the season. It's not for the month. The last box that I got a ton of stuff. I don't even know what's in here. I haven't peeked yet. Lily started ripping my box open. She was so excited. And I was like, don't, I've got to show that. So my sticker looks like crap. I'll show you in a sec. But I have just a couple of other things that I just want to touch on real quick. So it has interchangeable decor. So 2 to 3 pieces are interchangeable. So that means it's either reversible or one side says one thing and one side says another thing. So I think that's really fun because you can kind of switch it up. Each box has a value of over $200, but you're paying $69.99 if you use my coupon code. It comes straight to your door, so it's super convenient. And also they have a Facebook page as well where you can kind of get tips and ideas of how to decorate and kind of just be part of a little community. So I'll leave that link as well so you guys can go and check out their Facebook page. Each subscription gets a free gift, which will ship out 3 to 4 days after your initial order. For me, it was a frame, I think. Yeah, I think it's like a little picture frame. As you can see, Lily went into my label real quick, but it's a very cute little label. It's light pink. And then it says recycle today for a better tomorrow when you open it up. Oh, okay, so I'm assuming this is the Jazzy Doodles little artwork that probably comes in like a frame or something. So this says those summer days on one side, and then on the other, it's a really cute little pink flamingo, which is very fun for the summer and very colorful. And then inside it tells you what you're getting in your box, and then it also gives you like the key theme. So the key theme for this box is like summer hosting, barbecues, just like get-togethers, because I feel like in the summertime a lot of people have people over outside. You're going to be barbecuing, you're just having 4th of July parties, so it's all about like vacation and kind of fun in the sun. The key colors, it tells you exactly what the key colors are. So it's like turquoise, pink, kind of peachy. And then it gives you ideas of like how to style everything, which I think is really cool. It's like a really good little pamphlet. Like last time I was like, oh, that's a cute idea. Like it has little ideas of how to like style your shelf, or you know, there's just a lot of little inspiration in there. So let's just open the first piece. And they come in like individual little boxes, which, darn it, I probably should have done this beforehand, but hey, that's okay. Looks like the first piece is some kind of fabric. Oh, it's so cute. It's a little apron. Oh my God, how adorable is this, you guys? If you're gonna be out barbecuing or just like making a bunch of food for people to come over, but you still wanna have your pretty outfit on underneath, you've got a super cute little leaf, tropical flamingo apron. How adorable is that? With a big huge pocket. That is so cute. But wait, there's more. Oh, cute little placemats. Those are like little fabric placemats for your table, and they're like that really pretty peachy kind of coral color. That's cute. So look, there's 2 items right there. Then we have a little, I think it's like a little wine. Oh wait, no, it's not. How cute. Oh my God, the kids are gonna love this. It's a little tic-tac-toe game with little wooden pieces with the X's and the O's. And then it comes in this really cute little tic-tac-toe bag, but then the back side of the bag is the tic-tac-toe board. The kids are gonna love this. This is so cute to like have out on a little table, on the coffee table, or outside when you do have people coming over and you just wanna kind of keep them entertained in the meantime. That's a cute idea. And the little baggie is so cute too. I love this box so much, you guys. I would highly recommend it. If you guys are decor people, like I just love home decor. It's so fun for me. You're gonna love this box. So this is so cute. It's a little hanging sign. This is one of the interchangeable ones. So on one side it says rise and grind, and it has a cute little print of leaves on there. So it's got turquoise, yellow, and the pink. And then on the other side, so you can switch it up, it says recipe for fun, a dash of good vibes, a glass of bubbly, a handful of besties, one epic playlist, blend well with endless nights. And that is so cute that you can switch it up just depending on your mood or where you want to put it. So it's kind of like a 2-for-1 special right there. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, so we're at 4 items. Wait, that's 3. 4 items. And everything is very safely packaged. I think that's probably the fear of, like, if you're gonna be ordering something like this, is it gonna come broken if it's decor? But they package and bubble wrap everything so that everything comes really safe. Oh god, this is so cute. Everything in here is like my total vibe. This is, it says every summer has a story, and it's like a little wooden like picture. You can hang it up or you can just set it up on a table or something. The colors are perfection. I love it. The sides have polka dots. That is so cute, and it's all cohesive. It all matches. It's just so adorable. I just love this box so much. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god, yes, this is so cute. It's a little sign that you can hang up, and you can hang your little hats or jewelry or whatever the case may be, and it says hello. Isn't that the cutest for your little entryway? Oh my gosh, that's adorable. I love that. That's so cute. It's very sunny, very summery. Hello. I love that. This is adorable. It's a little lantern for a candle. This would be really cute to actually put like a citronella candle in for if you're going to be outside on your table and you're going to be outside with the mosquitoes. That would be a really cute way to disguise the ugly handle. It would just have it in there, and then it would still put off its little mosquito repellent. Isn't that so cute? Oh, I love it. The turquoise is gorgeous. Last but not least, you guys, this is the last box. It's a little wooden box for like cutlery, silverware, whatever you want to call it. You can put your little napkins in the back there, and then your knives, forks, and spoons, and then have that out for your little fun barbecue. Or if you don't want to do that, you could always just use it for just organizing makeup products or beauty, skincare items, hair care items. You could even use it for like storing your kids' crayons, markers. If you're going to be having kids over, you could put markers in here and everything, and paper in the back, some little coloring pages to keep the kids busy while everyone else is having a nice time. So yeah, that's really cute. Love it. And it's just like nice little wood with a little handle. So 8 items for $69.99 with that coupon code. Works out to be, I can't do math good, but it's like less than $10 per item, which honestly, I don't think you could. This would be more than $10 at TJ Maxx or Target. This might, it might be probably $12.99. I feel like these are usually around $12.99. This would definitely be at least $16, I believe. I don't think I've ever found anything for under $10 that looks like this. I feel like little wall hangings are usually around $20, so it's definitely worth the price in my opinion. I think especially when you use that coupon code, it brings it down. But these pieces are really cute, and they're pieces that you can't find anywhere else. And this is actually what comes with the free frame. So you'll get, I'm assuming it's just always the same. It's like a little frame, and it's interchangeable. It has like a little clippy, and I'm assuming each box you get a different little artwork. So this is really cute because now I can switch it up, because I had like more of a springtime one, and now I can put the summer one there. And then if you just keep that frame, you can always change it out each season that you get the box. I hope you guys enjoy and found that helpful. I love this box, you guys. So cute. The last box had really great stuff that I have, that I decorated my house with, that I really enjoyed, that I got a lot of use out of. This box I know I'm going to use because all of these are like totally my colors. They're so cute. They're so summery and very tropical vibes, which is definitely what I'm going for at the moment. Again, don't forget to use that code. I'm not being paid for this video, but they do provide me with the box each season, and then give me the code for you guys to save some money. But I love this box, you guys. It's such a cute, great, like super fun idea. You guys know I love subscription boxes. I get my FabFitFun from like my lifestyle fashion. I get BoxyCharm for beauty, and then I get the DECOCRATED for home. and I just feel like it's so cute. Like, I love it. So definitely check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box. I'll leave that coupon code in the description box as well. Again, it is Sam and Fam 10, and it saves you $10 off, which brings the price down to $69.99 for the season. I'll leave the other video as well so you guys can check that out and see what I got in my last box. I think I love this box even more just because there's so much pink in it. But yeah, both boxes are really great. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Mwah.